Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets VivoActive 3 or VivoActive 3 Music Edition tutorial video. In this video I'm going to give you settings changes that you can make that will increase the battery life of your VivoActive 3. These are all very simple setting changes to make. They also leave the functionality of the watch in place, so you don't get rid of activity tracking or the heart rate tracking. All of that will still be there. So the first settings change is going to be to lower the length of the notification timeout. And we do that by long pressing the face, then going down to settings, then scrolling down in settings to phone, then selecting notifications right here, and then at the bottom you go to timeout and you can change it to 30 seconds, 1 minute, 3 minutes is the default, that's what I have it on, but if you lower that you'll get a little bit better battery life. The second settings change tip I have for battery life is going to be to change the vibration strength. So this is the strength of the vibration when a notification or a move alert, anything like that is triggered on the watch. We'll do that by long pressing the face, going down to settings. Then in settings, scroll down to system. In systems, then choose vibration right here. And there are high, medium, and low. I prefer medium. I feel like I can actually feel it. With low, while the vibration is a lot lower, I find that I do miss some of the notifications. But if you want it to be the lowest it can be and better battery life, you can go ahead and select low. All right, so the next settings change is going to be to turn off gestures. So what a gesture is if you turn the watch face towards you, it'll turn on the backlight. This uses a lot of battery. So as an example, I'll show you right here. So as you can see, me moving the watch, it turned on the watch face. It's going to use a lot of battery life. So the way we turn that off is to go into the settings by long pressing the watch face, scrolling down until we go to settings. In settings, we go all the way down to system. And then in system, we go to backlight. And then we select the gesture right here. So you can turn this on for only activities, but the best way to increase your battery life is just to turn it off altogether. I enjoy it, and it's worth the battery life loss to me, so I keep it on. The next two tips have to do with backlight settings, so we're going to combine them into one. The first will be to change the timeout of the backlight, and the final one will be to change the backlight brightness. And that is by far one of the best battery savings tips for this watch, is to lower the backlight brightness. So to change those, we're just going to long press the watch face, scroll down until we get to settings. In settings, we're going to scroll down until we get to system. And then in system, we're going to go to backlight. In backlight, we're going to change the timeout first. You can have it very long if you wanted to, but I recommend short or medium because that's going to give you the best battery life. And then to change the brightness, I have it 100% right now for this filming. I usually keep it at 10. So I put it all the way down to 10. And as you can see, it looks very dark, but I found that you can still use this during the day. It could be the brightest time of the day and you'll still be able to see the watch face, no issues. So I recommend the brightness of 10. So those were battery saving tips for your VivoActive 3 or VivoActive 3 Music Edition. If you have any questions about these settings, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more VivoActive 3 or VivoActive 3 Music Edition videos, check the link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.